The Blackview Tab 11 sale is gonna start very soon, so we got some pretty interesting things going on here. So first of all, there's gonna be a random draw where they're gonna give away 10 of these tablets, and the first 40 people to order them on December 5th are gonna get a free keyboard, and the first 80 are gonna get the Airbuds First Edition. You're also gonna get a certain percentage off with an exclusive code, but we don't know how much yet. But what we do know is there's also going to be a $20 coupon for those who add it to their cart. Also, they're going to give away 15 t-shirts, 20 hats, and 20 water pens. Now, the first price of this tablet is going to be $169 for those who are going to buy on December 5th. Later on, it's going to go up to $189, and then finally $205. And I think $205, it's still a decent price for this tablet, but I would try and aim for the $169 mark. So you're gonna have to be pretty early for that. I don't know how fast it's gonna sell. Anyway guys, that is all the information we have for now. Of course, when it comes out, I will be sure to order it and review it for you guys. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.